Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens from your Arculus wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have your Arculus wallet set up on your device and your Binance account verified. Always double-check for any updates to these platforms, as crypto rules can change quickly in 2025. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to your SHIB holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Find SHIB and select it. Now, look for the Send or Transfer option. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions often have fees, so check the network fees up front to avoid surprises. Next, you'll need to input your Binance deposit address. To get that, hop over to your Binance account. Step 3. Log into Binance, go to your wallet section, and select SHIB from the list of supported tokens. Copy the deposit address provided. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Ethereum, since SHIB is an ERC20 token. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste that Binance address into the recipient field. Double-check everything to prevent any errors. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds forever. Step 5. Review the transaction details one last time, then confirm and send. You'll get a confirmation on your screen, and the transaction should appear on the blockchain shortly. Keep an eye on your Binance account for the deposit to reflect. It might take a few minutes. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your SHIB from Arculus to Binance. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets when possible and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages or community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.